Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome to my honorable channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can remove a photo background using Adobe background remover. Now let's quickly check it. I advise you to use a Google Chrome. Quickly navigate yourself to the Google Chrome and type Google. Open your google.com. Then you type Adobe background remover. It will show you this. Then you click on this. It is very simple how you can remove your background using your phone. How you can remove your photo background using your phone. And something of this will pop up on the surface. Then you click on the upload your photo. So at this junction it will come up with something of this nature. Then you use upload image. Then it will give you a room to choose any nature of image you want. To choose any nature of image you want right away, you use the nature of the image you want right away. Then all you need to do is just to select any picture you want. Maybe I want this picture. Then you say done. It will pop up and start removing the background immediately. And you watch what happens here. Okay. This one is saying fail. Okay, I think this must be from the network. So upload the photo again. So we hold on. Click on upload image. Then choose any picture of your choice. Let me just take which one do I take? Let me take this. Take this picture. And you see it will start removing the background immediately, refining the edges, mixing some art and science, removing the background. You see, it is as simple as ABCD. Now you can see, and you can simply see how to remove a photo background. So if you want to save, you can simply go to download and it will download the picture. Let's view what we have done. You see, it's as simple as this. So okay, let me quickly show you how to remove another. We have just done one example. Let's go to another. Do the same processes. Then which one do we take here? Let me choose a separate picture. Maybe let me just take this and I will say done. The network is a bit poor here. Let's redo it again. So you can do this anytime, anywhere you are. All you need is just an internet connection, right? That's all that you need, just internet connection. Let's see on this. So it's simply removing the background, it's refining the edges as usual, then mixing some art and science, and the background is being removed. Now you can see it. It's as simple as ABCD. So please, if this is your first time coming to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I drop any video, it will come to you immediately. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.